Hey friends!
Hey!
Guess what? We're in my happy place. We're doing a shop with me at Costco. You guys, Costco sells a vacuum that I have, the cordless Dyson V8. I want to get Jacob and Liam matching PJs. There's a footy one. This is like a penguin one. And then I think I want to get this one.
They actually have a 5T size. It's crazy.
I decided to go up a size for Jacob, so I got 24 months and I got 5T for Liam. Dang, did you guys know they sell jewelry? Like, well, hello there, jewelry. They look beautiful. Oh my goodness, they have the holiday decor up already. And the trees and everything. Extra hubby here says he wants the deer. Oh goodness. And you know we're gonna end up getting it eventually.
Growing up, we had these deer with a head with like this.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Like this. Like, I've always wanted one of those.
Okay, let's find one. These aren't moving though, so let's not get these guys.
3-pack.
With a 3-pack is $99 if you guys are interested, but we're not getting it. Wow, ribbon heaven, you guys. And look at all the different, they even show you what it's supposed to look like. Got some scotch tape, some heavy duty for packages. And here they have Christmas gift, like toys for kids. Oh, magic tricks, clay creation. Ooh, an art set. Oh my gosh, this place is too cool. Oh my gosh, I want to get this for my kids already and hide it and put it in the garage for their gift. Should we do that, Justin? Should we get one of these guys? Wow, look at all these toys. So we decided not to get this. Justin hates toys that come apart because then Liam gets like frustrated, like, Mommy, Daddy, help me. And it's just frustrating, so. And plus we already have a couple of those build sets. Oh my gosh, pet care set. We have 3 cats. It would be so nice if we had all these pretend things. I feel like it's too early to shop for the holiday, or is it not? I kind of want this. Like, I really want this actually. Legos. Duplo. You guys, all these toys. Oh my gosh, we recently, like, a little girl, Liam's friend, had a birthday and I asked her, what do you want? She asked for My Little Pony, so I got her some of this.
Fingerlings.
But I didn't get her like this whole ginormous pack. I didn't know this even existed. They have a chocolate Halloween house kit, Kinder Joy, like all the candy for Halloween. But if I went to a house and they gave popcorn like this, that would be so crazy. This is cute. Dang, you guys, they sell Hunter boots if you guys like Hunter. It's like discounted, $89.99. Ah, I bought mine on Amazon, I think. Like, yeah, but mine's like the shorter version. Wow, these are soft. $7.99 of happiness, yes, please. I love the lumberjack vibes. I wish Justin would wear a vest like that. They got pants. Fila. They got a whole lot of Fila up in here. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember when velour was in? I guess maybe it's in now. I don't know fashion like that, but maybe it is. And then over here, they've got hoodies. Oh, those are kids, my bad. Oh, I saw stripes. Hold on, you guys, hold on. This is Humboldt Creamery ice cream. Let's be my taste tester. It's good. Oh, it's good. I kind of want some. And some Honey Crisp, Justin's favorite.
Organic Honey Crisp. They're so hard to find.
I bought some hard-boiled eggs. I like it with my salad. Some watermelon, bananas, strawberries and raspberries, and soy milk. We're kind of curious. We want to try this. I'll update you, but this is their chicken noodle soup. They have broccoli cheddar, chicken tortilla, butternut squash, bone broth, Mission Hill Bistro. Well, dang, $7.99 for this ginormous pie.
Really
oh my gosh, that looks amazing. But it's so
The
big.
smell in here right now.
I know they're baking
It's
stuff.
ridiculous. They're
I
baking,
know.
like, cookies
yeah. Smells good. And then they've got Fiji ginger, some sprouted pumpkin seeds, raisins, prunes. They have beer. We got some Stringles cheese. We're getting these dino nuggets. Liam loves them so much, so we're getting one. Oh my gosh, this is 5 pounds. Hold on. Let me try and grab it. Okay, there we go. Getting some fancy shampoo and conditioner. We also got some Go-Go squeeze. We also got some Go-Gurt and then some Tylenol because we were running low. This is like a huge Tylenol. That's all I got at Costco, and of course I went in line and got a mocha freeze with the chocolate. You know, they now ask, would you like chocolate on your mocha freeze? And I was like, yeah, of course. Like, I don't know why they ask, because it's always gonna be a yes for me. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my Costco Shop With Me, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I have a playlist of my other Costco Shop With Me's, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to mention, they did not have the tempura crisp. I looked everywhere. They don't have it anymore. Hopefully they didn't discontinue it, but if they did, I would be so sad, because last time I bought 5, I ate them all. And so let me know if you guys can find it anywhere else. I'm gonna probably search Amazon, but I'm not about to spend $20 for a bag, because sometimes that happens when you're on Amazon. Anyways, yeah, bye.